Be ready? Start. The appellants herein in the said writ petition sought disclosure of information from the respondents relating to purported safety violations and defects in various nuclear installations and power plants across the country, including those situated at Trombay and Tarapur. Stop. The said demand of information was made purported to be relying on or on the basis of an information that the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board AERB prepared a report in November 1995 documenting therein safety defects and weaknesses, citing 130 instances which are said to be matters of concern. Stop. The appellants contended that a former chairman of the AERB, Dr. Gopal Krishnan, also expressed serious concern about the safety of nuclear installations in India, disclosing that serious accidents had occurred in some of the nuclear facilities, including one at Narora Atomic Power Plant in the state of UP and Kaga Atomic Power Plant situated in the state of Karnataka. Stop. The appellants herein, in support of its prayers made in the writ petition, mainly relied upon the reports appearing in the newspapers, magazines, and editorials and articles. Stop. Para. In their counter affidavit, the respondents herein inter alia contended that the said board was constituted in terms of Section 27 of the Atomic Energy Act, entrusting the task to develop safety codes, guides, and standards for setting, design, construction, commissioning, operating, and decommissioning of the different types of plants, keeping in view the international recommendations and local requirements, and develop safety policies in both radiation and industrial safety areas, reviewing health and aspects of modifications in design operation involving changes in the technical specification adopted in any of the Department of Atomic Energy DAE units, reviewing operational experience in the light of the radiological and other safety criteria recommended by the International Commission on Radiological Protection, International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA, and such other international bodies, and adapted to suit Indian conditions and thereby evolve major safety policies prescribing acceptable limits of radiation exposure to occupational workers and members of the public, and approve acceptable limits of environmental releases of radioactive substances, reviewing the emergency preparedness plans for non-DAE installations, promote research and development efforts for fulfilling the functions and responsibilities specified, reviewing the training program, qualifications and licensing policies for personnel by the project plants, enforcing rules and regulations promulgated under the Atomic Energy Act 1962 for radiation safety in the country, and such other functions as specified therein. Stop.